Starting around 20 January 2024, Ethereum in every practical sense is exchanging at $2,468.96 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.01% in truly most recent 1 hour in an exceptionally significant manner. ETH has an in every practical sense all-out market cap of $296,707,359,740, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,805,350,419 in an especially enormous manner. This sort of makes Ethereum, ETH, in every way that really matters, positioning at 2 in the digital currency market, or so they all things considered, thought. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what essentially is the Ethereum cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Ethereum truly be worth in 2024 in a truly significant manner? Is Ethereum a wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2024, which certainly is genuinely huge? Will ETH value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking? These basically are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2024, as per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the ETH cost truly is supposed to essentially cross an extremely normal value level of $3,401.23, the normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to explicitly be $3,299.04, all things considered. As opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, ETH can sort of arrive at a most extreme value level of $4,250.85, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation January 2024. With respect to January 2024, Ethereum cost is conjectured to fundamentally arrive at a kind of the most minimal cost of $2,427.14 in a significant manner. The ETH cost could basically arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $2,759.27, with the very normal expected cost around $2,682.63 in an in every way that really matters, enormous way. ETH value gauge February 2024. Concerning February 2024, Ethereum certainly is supposed to truly arrive at a really least value worth of $2,608.53, which is genuinely critical. The ETH cost could truly arrive at an exceptionally most extreme cost of $2,866.58, with the kind of typical cost around $2,736.28 in a kind of enormous manner. Ethereum value forecast walk 2024. The cost of Ethereum for the most part is anticipated to in a real sense reach at a by and large least worth of $2,663.26 in walk 2024, in a genuinely enormous way. The ETH cost could basically arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $3,003.39, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $2,791 all through 2024, in a by and large huge manner. Ethereum, ETH, value estimate April 2024. The Ethereum, ETH cost for April 2024 may arrive at the very least worth of $2,744.63, while the by and large greatest gauge cost especially is around $3,142.94 incredibly. The extremely normal cost for ETH in a real sense is especially anticipated to for the most part reach $2,846.82 in April 2024, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum, ETH, value estimate May 2024. For May 2024, the cost of Ethereum really is anticipated to arrive at a very normal cost of $2,009. Ethereum value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Ethereum certainly is supposed to basically be at around a truly least of $2,859.64, especially further appearance how the typical cost for ETH is truly anticipated to explicitly reach $2,846.82 in April 2024. Ethereum cost can in a real sense arrive at an especially limit of $3,402, with the sort of typical cost of $2,961.84 in United States dollars, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation July 2024. The cost for ETH, while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $3,021.07, showing how in addition ETH can sort of arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $4,250.85 in an especially significant manner. Ethereum, ETH, value conjecture August 2024. The Ethereum, ETH cost for August 2024 may in a real sense arrive at the very least worth of $2,983.96, while the very greatest gauge cost by and large is around $3,641.32, which especially is very critical. The kind of typical cost for ETH certainly is explicitly anticipated to reach $3,111. Ethereum, ETH value expectation September 2024. The cost for Ethereum in September 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $3,046.19 and $3,796.90 in an unobtrusive manner. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to be around $3,173.94, showing how besides ETH can generally arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $4,250.85 in a very significant manner. Ethereum value figure October 2024. The extremely normal cost of Ethereum, ETH, could especially go to $3,237.42 toward the finish of October 2024, which for the most part is genuinely huge. ETH could essentially be exchanging around in every practical sense, most extreme worth of $3,955.60, with the kind of least expected cost of $3,109.67, showing how starting around 20 January 2024 Ethereum explicitly is exchanging at $2,468.96 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.01% in especially most recent 60 minutes, or so they especially thought. Ethereum value conjecture November 2024. In November 2024, the essentially greatest cost for Ethereum could in every way that really matters stretch around $4,117.47, or so they sort of thought. Besides, the minimum cost of ETH in November 2024 generally is $3,232.34, with a genuinely normal cost of $3,334.54 in a kind of large manner. ETH value gauge December 2024. With respect to December 2024, Ethereum all things considered is supposed to basically arrive at a really least value worth of $3,299.04. The ETH cost could generally arrive at a really most extreme cost of $4,250.85, with the typical cost around $3,401.23. Ethereum kind of past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense has been for the most part diminished by 0.76% in its in every way that really matters current worth in an especially large way. Assuming we sort of look at the fundamentally current market cap